Pie Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today I have here little sisters a little surprise wave 2, and I'm so excited because we just saw these at Target. So now we're gonna open this up. Look how cute they are. Look at them. Look at her hair. This one's adorable. I want this one. Alright, here we have our secret message, and you can see it says Hot Shot. Okay, so now we have a magnifying glass, and it says Hot Shot. Let's see if there's anything else in the ball. I see a heart and E. Wait, no, a lock. A heart, a lock, and an E. Ooh, it's a gold ball on the first try! Yay! I'm so excited! Oh, this one's adorable. Dark shadows. Aww. A gold ball on the first try. That's amazing. Okay, pop it open. Now our other magnifying glass. Now let's open it up. Looks the keychain. Oh, what is this? It's so cute, but I don't know what it is. It looks like a mirror, but you know, it looks like a fan. It's like those little fans. Where is the checklist? I want to see the checklist. Oh, let's see. Okay, here's a gold one right here. It's so cute, little Yin BB. I think we got that one because we have the fan. And I actually wanted that one because I love her black hair. Ugh, he's bald. Little scary boy. He's hilarious. Oh, look, little Lexus nappy. Oh, it's little Patty. She's adorable. She has green hair. Little Oopsie baby. Darling Diva. Oh, she's cute. Little Witch Hey baby. Little Pepe Bonito. That's so cute. He has a little bow tie on. Little, wait, what? Okay, right here. I can see a lot napping. Who's this? Little Snow Bunny. Oh, okay, here's little Miss Juvie. That's really cute. There's a lot of new ones. Little sweet. There's a little drive right there. Oh, look at this one, little Kawaii Queen. This one's cute, but I don't know how to pronounce it. Little Shimon Queen. Shimon. I don't know if I said that right. It's little Yin and little Yang. Cutie. Little Yang baby, little Yin and Yang. Oh, that's adorable. I get it now. I wonder if they're like, oh, they're opposites club. Okay, now I get it. I thought it was gonna be Fire and Ice Club. Like, no. Okay. This is a bag. This is so adorable. Look, it has a little flower on it. And it's glittery too. Aww. It's like a blossom or something. Now let's open the LOL doll. Is this little Kawaii Queen? But wait, who is this? Okay, so I think this is little Kawaii Queen. But the thing is, little Kawaii Queen hair right here looks purple from here. And there's some blue spots. But here, it's blue. Wait, why? Well, her head is detached. Wait, what's happening? You see that, right? Look. It doesn't go in. What's wrong? Is it just me, or she does look kind of like a little fake, just to me. Her plastic is like really squishy. But I love her bonbons. I love her bonbons. She's so cute. I expected yin and yang for some reason because, you know, yin and yang with the beautiful fan. I think she's a little hot. Okay. So now we're gonna see if she's a color changer. course she's a color changer, but we're gonna see what she color changes. So here I got the cold water and the really, really hot water. So first we're gonna dump her in the hot water and see if she can color changes. Nope, she's as cute and normal. Let's put her in the cold. Ah. Oh! Oh no, she's under the ice. Uh-oh. Gotta protect her. Oh, she's so adorable. She has like this little, what do you call it? Like this little jacket on, I guess. It's like, it looks like it to me. And she gets flour on her face. That's really kawaii. Oh, look at her. I love her so much. We're gonna have to hide this one from Cutie Pie so she's glitter. So Cutie Pie, you're not gonna get this anytime soon. Anyways, bye bye little pie.